Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create that trendy slice text effect in Canva but weren't sure where to start, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to slice text in Canva using a super simple trick, and you'll walk away with a cool, professional-looking design that'll stand out, whether you're making social media graphics, thumbnails, or a fresh poster for your brand. Alright, let's dive right in. First, I'm using a PNG text image. If you're wondering where to find these, don't worry, it's really straightforward. Just head to Google and search for PNG text images. Make sure you find one with a transparent background because that's going to give you the cleanest results. Download one you like, then upload it to your Canva project so it's ready to go. Now let's create that eye-catching slice effect. It's honestly much easier than it looks. In Canva, go over to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen, search for the basic square shape and add one to your canvas. Here's a little tip, resizing is your friend. Stretch or shrink that square so it covers exactly half of your text image. It doesn't have to be mathematically perfect, but try to line it up with the halfway mark vertically. It's almost like you're covering one half of a sandwich with a napkin. Next, grab a second square shape and set it up on the other half of your text image, the one you haven't covered yet. Now both halves of your text should be covered by two separate squares, and this setup is what's going to make the slice effect pop. To make things visually clear, let's change up the colors. Click on the first square and choose a color you like. Maybe something bold, maybe something neutral, totally up to your design vibe. Then do the same with the second square, but pick a different color. This simple color tweak helps you easily see where those slices are happening, and it also adds an extra flair to the final look. Now comes the magic. Duplicate your original text image so you have two identical copies. Don't worry if you're new to duplicating. In Canva, just select the image and hit the shortcut or use the copy-paste buttons. Place one copy above the first colored square and the other above the second colored square, stacking them right on top so everything lines up neatly. Where we make the slice? For the first text image, you're going to crop it, just trim it from the top down so only the half that sits above your first colored square is visible. Take a moment to get the alignment just right and don't stress if it takes a couple of tries, that's totally normal. For the second text image, crop from the bottom up, revealing only the half that's above the second square. Think of it like carefully cutting a cake in two, each piece needs to fit right over its layer. And there you have it, the slice text effect, but don't stop there. If you want to give your design a bit more personality, add a shadow or experiment with effects. Canva has great shadow options that can add a subtle depth, making your sliced text really pop off the background. That's all there is to it. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own design results, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tricks and design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.